how to create a service in Jobber. So on the Jobber platform, when you choose your niche or your particular industry, the software automatically creates some services for you which you can choose on checkout. If you want to add or delete certain services, you can do them very well on the Jobber platform. Now, simply go, you may not see it here on the left hand. You may not see it here on the left hand. Simply go to the right hand where you see this, this widget for settings. Click on it and go to settings. And on the left hand, you see products and services. Click on products and services. And it gives you a list. It's going to show you a list of the products and the services which are very conventional. In my case, I am a plumber. So these are the conventional plumbing services, water, from top to bottom, dishwasher full installation, drain cleaning, faucet installation, free assessment, garbage disposal, leak repair, sewer line, and all that. What if there is another service I want to, add, which is not here, and I want to see something like, I'll click on add new, and I want to add a service like lawn sprinkler repairs. I'm going to say lawn sprinkler repairs, and I'm going to give it a description here. I'll say repair to lawn sprinkler, and I'm going to have AI rewrite this to be cheerful. So it's giving me some content. Sprinkler repair services for your lawn. Is your lawn sprinkler in need of a little TLC? All right. And then the cost of this is going to be 100 euros. There's no unit price since it's not a product, it's a service. I'm now going to add an image. And this is the image. And is it tax exempt? You can toggle that on if it's tax exempt. Can it be booked online? If so, yes. And then the book service is going to be job, or you can book an assessment online. And what is the duration? Let's just say 15 minutes. So this person can book an assessment online, and it's going to be just 15 minutes, and it's going to cost this. But if the job itself can be booked online, then the job is going to cost $100. If it's just an assessment, I want to believe it's going to cost maybe $0, that's free, or maybe $10 just for assessment. But if it's the actual job, it could be let's say 30 minutes, and it's going to cost $100. And then you can allow customers to select quantity. Maybe they have 3 lawn mowers or lawn sprinklers which need repairs, and then the maximum, let's say you need more jobs, you could say up to 50, and then you can create this service. So when you create this service, you're going to see it on this list. Where is it? Lawn sprinkler repairs. So this is it. I actually said sprinkler, but it's supposed to be sprinkler. I beg your pardon. So that is how to create a service on Jobber. If you got any value out of this video, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and whenever videos like this are posted, you will be the first to be notified. And if you want more Jobber tutorials, please just comment Jobber on the comment section, and I'll do more videos. And please don't forget to like this video. Peace.